What's going on, guys? We are building an absolutely sick e-bike today. Now this is a Trek Marlin 6. There is something really important to point out. I've bought a second-hand Marlin 6 Gen 2 for this because of a very good reason. I think the Trek Marlin 5, 6 and 7 can no longer be turned into an e-bike. They've still got a quick release wheel, but they've got a new through skewer system that basically means you cannot put an e-bike wheel in any of the new Trek Marlins. So we've gone with a second-hand one. My son's picked the colour of this. I gave him a few options of bikes that are available. Gone for this lovely blue colour. We've got some sick upgrades. We've got these beautiful looking, I think they're 203 or 220, 203 rotors front and back. You can kind of get the idea. I think that's going to look sick against the blue. And not only that, we've got matching gold post mount adapters and matching gold titanium bolts. It's going to be a sick build. The sun is shining. Bloke is very happy because it's his birthday today. I say we just whack some tunes on, get into a time lapse and get this thing built into a sick e-bike. Let's go. You're sweet, the microphone. Get off. What Lewis doesn't know is his 18th birthday in a couple of days' time. This bike is going to be for him. He's been helping me on the channel now, camera work, building bikes. Generally a really good help, excellent cameraman. And his bike is absolutely wrecked. I want to give him something special. He's coming back. Right. Shh.
Imagine me tall in a tight dress, showing off things. I bet you double tap. Picture my good side, both in life and angles, with a little edit. When did this get so important? I don't really care, I'm going offline forever. Get out of my hair, I weaken all my core values. I haven't missed a thing, none of that is real. I put the love on me, all the energy. I don't really care, I'm going offline forever. I could be generous, maybe delete later. Would you stare it down? I could keep you posted. Picture perfect lives, imaginary worlds.
Right guys, this bike is done and I'm really happy with how it come out, considering I've used a second-hand Trek Marlin 6 and a Kirbebike kit that's 2 years old. It's actually looking pretty fresh. We've got the 220mm upgraded rotors and this thing is ready to go. Not even tried it yet. And today, I reckon you should have a go, Lou, because I can't be bothered.
Yeah.
Whack it up into, I don't know, level 3 or something to try. Well, I'll take it easy because I haven't tested nothing on it yet. Go before this car comes. Here he goes. He's got no idea whatsoever that's his birthday present. Told him to take it easy. Well, the wheels ain't falling off, so that's a good thing. Here he comes. How's it ride?
That's pretty smooth.
Any issues with it?
No.
How's it size-wise?
It's pretty good size-wise.
Does it feel like a large or is it a bit smaller because of the mullet 27 on the back?
Feels alright, to be fair.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right. Well, happy birthday then.
Well, but actually,
Yeah, it's your new bike. Why do you think I got you to pick the colour? You got a Trek Marlin 6, 52 volt. You needed a new bike, right?
yeah.
Better look after it. You better be careful with it when you're wearing a crash helmet.
Yeah.
But you've had this for how many years?
4 years.
And what's wrong with it?
The motors had a weird sound to it, and then it would not have any power to it. This whole pedal bit is fell off 3 times now. Battery wobbles now. Display's wonky. This is broken off.
Yeah, it's seen better days, isn't it?
Yeah.
What is wrong with you? Get back. Just because it's your birthday doesn't mean you can be a complete dickhead.
It doesn't really feel like I have a new bike now.
Want to go have your new bike again?
Yeah.
At the end of the day, the day gotta end. I seen me through the process. I don't really want no problems. Niggas ain't got no merit. Niggas ain't got no posture. Round here we keep shit G'd up, kick my feet up out my posse. And deposit, keep it posy. Shout my nigga Johnny, stay 10 down. The way they talk, these niggas lost me. I bet on me, I'm never losing. Tell me how I'm finna cut my losses. All I got is my word, and that shit serving the truth. I'm off for the goose. She love us to me. I'm liberated, my spirit is free. This sounds so nuanced.
Right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little quick one. I've got loads more e-bike projects coming up, so just a quick one today. I knew I needed to build this before his 18th birthday. Bloody hell, look at him. Gonna have to get this boy in a crash helmet. Right, take it easy, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to check out kirbebike.com for the e-bike kits. As you can see, 2-year-old kit, still absolutely flying along, still reliable. Right, take it easy, guys. I'll see you in the next one.